Good morning, all of you. Today's class for 11 will discuss the organ pipes or the reflection of the sound wave by rigid or the free end, and the application of that is what will be the organ pipe. Okay, we have some frame rough idea regarding the reflection of a wave at the rigid end and the free end. And when it comes sound wave, the sound wave consists of what, like displacement wave. If I want pressure wave, what shall I do? The pressure wave is given by delta P is equal to minus B dy by dx. So they should become equal to how much? BAK. So what is what is the first set of equations now? The first one is called as a displacement wave. And the second one is called as a pressure wave. Okay, I think you have some firm idea. It will be okay. Let's get into this one. So what will happen to the wave when reflected? So how to get that rigid end and the free end? So here we take help of the thing called like a organ pipe, or so like I'll take a okay, fine here. So here what happened? There'll be a tuning fork. Who will push this particular signal? The tuning fork. Let it be here, and the tuning fork will send. So here the wave, the displacement wave will be incident. Okay, let me put it. The displacement wave. So this is what y1 I'll call it, and delta p1. Okay, now this I'll call it as rigid end, or it is also called as closed end. So we are discussing reflection at closed end. Let me pull the diagram a little bit down. Okay, fine. So reflection at the rigid or closed end is what will get this organ pipe. What is this organ pipes are what we have done? It's a cylindrical pipe. You can say like anything metal pipe. Pipe or in pen you have the cap, no? The cap, that's what here. What will happen to this bottom of cylinder? Will it move? No, it will be fixed, no? So I'll call that as rigid end. Let me define it x equal to 0. Okay, a displacement wave is incident. We know some basic idea. If a displacement wave reflected by rigid end, what should happen to the reflected wave? The reflected wave will be like this. The reflected, this y, what is y2? Y2 is a reflected wave. So if you want, you write yi, yr. This will be, this symbols will be better, I feel. Okay, can we write reflected incident displacement wave? It is incident displacement wave. This is incident pressure wave. What will be the reflected wave? Any expression for reflected wave? Yr is equal to, what is the method? A sine omega t k minus x plus pi. Can you remember this? So this is what reflected displacement wave. Can you remember these things? Phase change of pipe, why? Because reflected by a rigid end. Why negative sign? Because after reflection, the reflected wave will move towards left. So therefore negative sign. So this will become is equal to minus A sine omega t plus kx. Then I want a reflected pressure wave minus B dyr by dx. This should be equal to, so what is the equation we'll get it here? Minus of, okay, this will become minus AK cos omega t okay, minus of minus, so this will become plus BAK cos omega t plus kx. Okay, this is what we should call reflected pressure wave. I think this is a general idea, no? We'll get incident wave, we'll get displacement wave. Whenever a sound wave is incident, when a sound wave is incident, so what do we get here? Like a sound wave, how do we express incident displacement wave, pressure wave? Like this, we have some conditions, no? That's why we are trying to discuss what will happen to the nature of a wave, the pressure what will happen, displacement what will happen when affected by region. That's why I'm considering all these waves here. This is okay now. So like from where you have brought this? This is from transverse wave propagation. It is not a plus, it is a X, that one. From transverse wave propagation. Can you remember this? It may come with some phase. Okay, no problem. Add that phase plus pi and solve the thing. They may ask you very good conceptual questions here. That's why I just brought mathematically everything. Okay, this is clear now. Now, what will happen? Continuously, the waves will be incident here. And here what happened? Continuously, there'll be incident wave. Continuously, what happened? There'll be reflected wave. It's not like I'm sending a pulse. Are you looking at this inverted sign? Why inverted sign? This is very important. Please do notice this. What you send, no, you'll get like this here. The incident wave, it will get inverted. Any reason for that? Because of the phase change of pi radian. Okay, now these two will undergo superposition. Similarly, the pressure wave, it will get reflected. Okay, let's come for the displacement at closed end. Let's go for y is equal to yi plus yr. Let me add up. Let me take superposition of this incident displacement wave and reflected displacement wave. Yr is how much? A sine omega t plus kx. So let at x equals 0. So where do that closed end is located? Rigid end or closed end at x equals 0? Closed end at x equals 0. I'm interested what will happen to the layer of a medium which is at closed end. The closed end will become like a one layer. So for that, it will be put x equals 0. It will become a sine omega t. Okay, look at this one. What happened to the value of y? So the layer which is at closed end will not vibrate. There's a very important thing I'm concluding here. Rather than in books, the information is available. Just like the layer at the closed end will not vibrate. Why it will not vibrate? Now, how you measure y? Vertically or horizontally? Anybody want to reply back? How do we measure this? How do we measure this y? Horizontally or vertically? All of you sleeping or really listening my class? Because 6:45 maybe. Vertically. I want further. Please, everyone, please be alert. If you are really in sleepy mood, go wash face and come. Wash face and come, no problem. Wash face, and if you want to do brushing also, it should be fresh enough. Huh? Gradually, I think you should get adjusted to this time. Your college will start at 6:30. So physically, I want you to really get adjusted to the physical timings on that one. So I just started. That's why 6:45 I started. Huh? Okay, no. Okay, one of the answer from Shandelia I got is like, why is vertically? No, why is horizontal? Huh? This is very important. This why is measured? Why is measured horizontally? I think I should make things clear here. It's a sound wave propagation. No, what is why? Displacement of a layer from mean position. So what will happen to this particular layer? It will not vibrate. It will be at rest at all the time. So therefore, if a sound wave is incident at a closed end, then what will happen to the closed end? The closed end will not vibrate. I think this is quite common sense, no? You just take a cap, pen cap will be there, no? It is similar to like a cylindrical tube or metal pipe. This one, you just blow air. What will happen to bottom of that cylinder? Will it vibrate? No, it is a rigid. No, it is a fixed. No, it will not vibrate. Got the idea? So this particular air will not permit it to vibrate here. So there's a rigid end. That's what it's telling. Let's see what will happen to the pressure wave. The displacement of the reflection of displacement wave is what we are discussing. What will happen to pressure wave? We'll see this one. So what is the conclusion as y equal to 0? Therefore, the rigid end will not vibrate. The rigid end will not vibrate with the time. Okay, this is what I'm putting the condition. Got the idea now? This will be okay. Let's talk about the pressure wave. So delta P equal to delta Pi plus delta Pr. Similarly, see, don't think that when you talk separately you are generating displacement wave, pressure wave. No, when you talk what happen, the wave will propagate. As the wave propagates, the layers will vibrate. The vibration of layers as a function of position time is what displacement wave. The pressure of medium varies. That is a pressure wave. The density of medium varies. To expressing that, the density will come. Okay, let's go for this one. So the superposition of this will be incident pressure wave. Look at here. This corner will be BAK. So this will become delta P of this is y of xt if you want to write it, or y of t, anything it will be. So there's like a standing wave, we'll get it 2BAK. What shall I write? 2BAK cos kx. Check mathematics. 2BAK cos kx cos omega. If I'm right, I'll proceed. Cos kx cos omega t. Is I'm right? Shall I proceed? Okay, fine. Yeah. This will be. Look at now. So put x equal to 0 because I'm interested at x equals 0. This is something very important. Let me just underline, highlight it. Yeah. What's happening to the pressure at the closed end? Is it constant or variable? Now you have complete description. Oh, no. Look at this one. The pressure at closed end, is it a constant or variable? No, it is in fact varying with the time. No. What is the maximum value of excess pressure here? 2 BAK. Okay, got this idea? So therefore now I'll go for general conclusion at closed end. At closed end, what will happen to displacement? Y of t 0. So therefore, what should be the closed end? Shall I say node? I'll put it this one. Y of t 0. Therefore, the closed end. I'll do one thing. I'll write point wise. Huh? That'll be better thing. First, let me explain few things. No, let's come for this one. A displacement wave arrives, a sound wave arrives here. The displacement wave, what happen, will get reflected, will undergo phase change. Will I agree this? Yi, here we have negative sign. I'll put red color. This one. I'll highlight it. This is the incident displacement wave. This is a reflected displacement wave. Okay, got this one. Then what will happen to incident pressure wave? The incident pressure wave is this one, BAK cos omega t minus. What is the reflected pressure wave? Plus BAK cos omega. So is there any phase change? I'm asking, is there any phase change? No phase change. The pressure wave will not undergo phase change, whereas the displacement wave will undergo phase change. Will I agree, all of you? First, this is very important. I want you to think. Okay, that's the thing. So when a sound wave arrives at a closed or rigid end, the displacement wave will undergo phase change of pi radian. The pressure wave will not undergo phase change of pi radian. This is the one thing. Next, after this. Then what will happen to the closed end? Will it vibrate? No, it will not vibrate. What is the y displacement of this layer, the closed end bottom of cylinder? Why do it will vibrate? It will not vibrate. There's a common sense. You blow air into the in any cylindrical pipe. Will this vibrate bottom? No, it's rigidly fixed to this can, no metal can. So therefore it will not vibrate. So therefore this should be a node. So what is a closed end will become displacement node. But what happened to pressure at that point will vary harmonically. How much maximum pressure, how much maximum excess pressure will be 2 BAK. So therefore, what will happen to the closed end? Closed end will become a pressure anti-node. That's what I'm calling. The reason for that, because pressure is varying and it varies harmonically with the time. It in fact varies harmonically with the time here. So therefore, what are the conclusions? I can make it here. The conclusions are at closed end. The displacement wave will undergo a phase change of pi radian. The closed end will be a displacement node. This is the one thing. Next again. Next again, the pressure wave will not undergo any phase change. What about the closed end? The closed end will be a pressure antinode. Okay, I agree this. So these are some points which I'm summarizing. So the closed end should be displacement antinode. Okay, let's come for this one. What do we have? here the plus BAK. Plus BAK means what happened? So shall we say compression? And what do we are getting? Again, the reflected wave is a plus BAK. So shall we say that the closed end, at the closed end, if a compression arises, if a compression arrives here, the reflected will be compression. So nature of sound signal will not change. What do you mean by nature? Compression rarefaction is what we express, no? The sound wave propagation. Here, the incident pressure wave is what? Compression. Let's assume that one. The reflected wave is also again plus BAK. What do you mean by plus BAK? Maximum pressure, where the pressure is maximum, P naught plus BAK should be compression. If there is a P naught minus BAK, it should be rarefaction. So therefore, a compression will be reflected as a compression. Rarefaction will be reflected as a rarefaction. So there's a one very important things I'm going to conclude. Next one more. The nature of sound signal will not change. The compression is reflected as compression and rarefaction as rarefaction. What is the meaning of this? So I'll express through the diagram. If there's an organ pipe, if a compression arrives here, if there's a rarefaction, some different colors, compression, I'll give this as compression, rarefaction, some other colors, let me give. Now what will happen is, this is the compression will be reflected as compression. This is the incident. Okay, don't call YI. There's the incident. This is a reflected. And rarefaction which arise will be reflected as rarefaction. This is at where closed end. Okay, that's why we just put it in a very simple way. What is that? The nature of sound signal will change. A compression will be reflected as compression. The compression is reflected as compression and rarefaction as rarefaction. And what is this? This should be, what is the conclusion? Displacement node or our pressure antinode. Okay, no. The excess pressure is varying harmonically. So what is the value of maximum pressure here? The maximum pressure at closed end. Shall I write P naught plus 2 BAK? Agree this? The pressure will become how much? P naught plus 2 BAK. Similarly, what is the minimum pressure? Okay, the pressure at closed end will vary about mean atmospheric pressure, will fluctuate harmonically about mean atmospheric pressure. So when at one instant it can be cos omega t can be equal to 1. So maximum pressure will become P naught plus 2 BAK. Minimum pressure will become P naught minus 2 BAK. But what happened to displacement will be 0 at all the time. Any doubt if you have, you can clarify. This is about the reflection at the closed end is what we are studying it. Okay, fine. So let me go for reflection at the open end. Let's take the next page. Uh, what do you mean by, sir? Where do we use? I think you look at the piano, harmonium, or the flute. It's an organ pipe only. We are just discussing the basic structure. That one. Later, it will be modified in different shapes to for that particular different types of the frequencies, sound signals. That one. So don't think that something we are discussing a stupid instrument. That one. All the musical instruments, wired or some hollow, like harmonium, piano, trumpet, flute, they just work on the organ pipe only. So if you know this organ pipe, then what happens scientifically? What happens? You can further produce the music very systematically. That's what happens before going learning music. What happens? You should know the instrument properly, little bit. Then it'll be very easy for you to really explore that instrument here. Now it's telling reflection at the closed end. Sorry, reflection at open end. What is open end? There's an open end. Both ends are open. So here also this, and let there be a tuning fork. Now it will send a wave, and let me define this boundary at x equals 0. This is an open end. Just take some hollow pipe which is open at both ends. Earlier it was like a cylinder. Cylinder will be open at one end, closed at one end. No? So this is a hollow pipe open at both ends. As it will also be like an organ pipe. It also be an organ pipe. We'll just study what will happen to the reflection, other things and all. Okay, this is an open end or free end. You can also call it as a free end. So let there be a displacement wave. Now, what do you mean by yi? Yi is measured horizontally, not vertically, horizontally it is. Now, what will happen? So just try to think like earlier what we did, no? I'll have water meanwhile. Huh? Anything will happen to the reflected wave. So when a displacement wave is reflected by free end, it will not undergo phase change. So let's get into this one. Yi is equal to a sine. So what is this? This is the incident displacement wave. So when it is reflected, see, we have to just use the mathematics. So don't make any guess. So why negative sign? Because it will get reflected. Okay, we'll do one thing. Okay, first we'll write in this way. This is better. So this is what finally it will be a sine. So what is this? Reflected. So this will be a reflected displacement wave. This is what YR. We'll call like this. Let it undergo superposition. Y is equal to yi plus yr. So then this will become already we know some earlier from transfer field. So with that I'm continuing here. So this will become anybody value of this. This should be equal to I think 2ak cos kx check once. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay, 2ak cos kx. So what is this? At where? So I can write it now x equal to 0. Then at x equals 0, the displacement is going to vary with the time. So at free end, at open end. Open end means x equal to 0. So what happened to y? Y will vary with the time. So what will happen to that given layer? The given layer will in fact vibrate. The given layer in fact will vibrate. So what will happen to the reflected wave? The reflected wave we do get like this. No phase change. It will not undergo phase change. Okay, so many queries are there. Okay, let me finish off this one. So here what do we get? The displacement of this layer, it will in fact, it will vibrate here. Let's talk about the pressure wave, incident pressure wave. So how to calculate incident pressure wave? Minus B dyi by dr. So this should become equal to minus ak cos omega t minus kx. So therefore this will become plus bak cos omega t minus kx. Incident pressure wave. No. What about the reflected wave? A reflected pressure wave should be minus b dyr by dx. It is. Okay. Look at this one. So this will become minus. So where is the reflected wave we have here? So the derivative of this will be ak cos omega t plus kx. So this will become bak minus bak. Let there be a superposition of both incident pressure wave and reflected pressure wave. And there is a reflected at x equals 0, we are discussing at x equals 0. What will happen to that free end? So definitely this will become BAK. I will write neatly. Yeah? Let me write things clearly. Delta P is equal to, this is BAK cos omega t plus 0 minus BAK cos so with the time, what will happen to the, this is delta P of xt. Finally, what will happen to excess pressure at free end? It will not vary. The pressure will not vary. That's what we mean to say here. So therefore, what will happen to the free end? The free end will be a displacement because the layer can undergo. So displacement anti-node and the pressure node, it will become. Okay, let's come for the displacement wave. Displacement wave, will it undergo phase change? No. So look at this one, incident displacement wave and the reflected displacement wave. There is no phase change. So therefore, if a sound wave arrives at the free end, the displacement wave, what happened, will not undergo phase change due to reflection. I'll highlight it. At least you should able to see these two things. Got this one? Next again, let's come for the pressure wave. What is the incident pressure wave? There's the incident pressure wave. Look at that, plus BAK cos omega t minus k. What is the reflected pressure wave? The reflected pressure wave is minus BAK cos that one. So will pressure wave will undergo phase change? The answer is yes. So what is the conclusions we can make it now? At free end or at open end, don't call free end, better let's call the open end. Why I wrote free end? So that you can have the comparison that to that of the reflection of a wave on a string, that one here. So at the, so what is the conclusion here? The displacement wave will not undergo phase change at phase change at open end. Next again, the displacement, the pressure wave undergo the displacement wave will not undergo phase change when reflected by an open end. I think the sentence, let me put it in proper way. The displacement will not undergo a phase change the pressure will undergo a phase change of pi radian according to this, according to come for this one, what will happen to y of t varying with the time? Y of t will vary with the time. So therefore, what is the conclusion? The displacement wave, in fact, what will happen? Vary harmonically with the time. The layer, what happened there, will execute SHM. So therefore, if a layer at open end, if it vibrates, so therefore what it should be? It should be like a an antinode or a node. It should be antinode. The layer at open end vibrates horizontally. So therefore the closed end, sorry, the open end must be a displacement antinode. Okay, no. What will happen to the pressure variation there? You see, the pressure will not vary with the time. I think that we have here. Yeah. The pressure at open end will not vary with the excess pressure at open end will not vary with the time. Will not vary at will not vary. So therefore, the open end must be a pressure node. Sorry. Okay, these are some important things is what I am able to predict here. Okay, let's talk about the nature of sound signal. Look at the incident pressure wave, what it is. It was a plus BAK cos omega t, and the reflected is what? Minus BAK. If there's a compression, this will be rarefaction. Am I right? If there's a compression, there's a rarefaction. So how you can say? See, plus BAK means pressure is P naught plus BAK, compression. Minus BAK means pressure is P naught minus BAK. So therefore it will be rarefaction. So therefore, what will happen to nature of sound signal will change. The compression will be reflected as rarefaction. So what is the conclusion we can make it here? At open end, I'll write the nature of sound signal changes after reflection at open end. So what do you mean? That is compression if reflected as rarefaction, and rarefaction and a rarefaction is reflected as compression. Okay, now see, these are the things. So what is the reasons? Like, you know, the incident wave is a compression. If a compression arises, will be reflected as a rarefaction. So here only, let me just put that boxes here. Compression will be reflected as rarefaction. Got the idea? This will be. Just I'll show one. Or the rarefaction will be reflected as compression. Okay, therefore, what is the conclusion we can make it? So this should be, what should be this one? This should be displacement antinode. Or pressure node. Like this, what happened? I'm making a background. You look at the books, we don't have this discussion. Straight away, they went to organ pipe. And why open end should be close, why open end should be pressure, why open end should be pressure node. No, it happens practically. That's why it's the pressure node. Now, teacher should not reply. Teachers should give explanation why only it is. This is something very important. Make good observation. We have, in fact, reasons. Okay, first of all, you ask very good question here. So the wave will come here. Why do it get reflected? The wave will go straight. What makes it to reflect back? I'll give 2 minutes time for you to analyze. 3 minutes time is what supposed to think. So like why you are first of all making it getting reflected. The wave will just go like this only, no? The wave arrives here. The tuning fork will send a wave. The vibrations are set up horizontally. Okay, the sound wave will arrive here. So at this particular point, it will go straight, no? Horizontally. Why it will go come back? So if it gets reflected, why not it get reflected from here only? Why you're talking reflection here? Because what is there? Who is there? Nothing, no? Here also here, here also here. So the wave should just go, no? Should traverse, no? What makes it to reflect back? Okay, there's a very important. A student has to ask question to the teacher. Please do think. I should give some time for you to analyze. Please do think what makes it to get reflected. Anybody? Can you give reason? Anybody? Nothing wrong. Okay, whatever you
That they
want.
may react, I mean, reflect with the particles of air.
I'm not getting.
They may reflect with the particles of air and come back, bounce back.
No, very simple. Air is also air, air is also air. So if it gets reflected here, why not it get reflected here only? Why you are talking till here? A kid can ask me a question like this also, no? Simplest question, sir. Why it get reflected? Just go straight. Why you are discussing this concept? Fine. Sir, maybe medium ear, rarer ear, denser. No, ear also air, ear also air. I think we are a science student. No, it's not like something. Everything will come gifted. Huh? Say this what? Why I'm uh, forcing you to think no, because nothing will be there for you as a gifted. Huh? Nothing will come for granted. For everything we have to struggle. Huh? If you don't struggle, not possible. That's all. Finish word. You don't get knowledge. No, knowledge gaining has become like a movie. That's all. Without struggle, we won't know knowledge. That's what the biggest problem. Okay, no, I'll give tomorrow. Tomorrow, what happened anyway? Will now I'll start the organ pipes, the resonant frequencies. So what you do is like, hey, I'll give time. So tomorrow when I discuss numericals, no, let me give that as a reason how it gets reflected at open end. At closed end, no
Sir,
problem. Yeah.
sir, the pressure inside pipe will be less than pressure outside, so they may come.
Okay. Some good concrete ideas are there. You do one thing. Who all wants to give explanation? No, you can just put in voice. You can tap the in WhatsApp. No, what is the explanation is there? No, that you can express and just send message. Let me see your thinking, because you know my thinking. I want how you think when a new situation comes, how you analyze. You can Google it. You can read the topic. Nothing wrong. See, nothing wrong. It's not that you should only think. You search books, you analyze, think, and you should conclude on your own. And okay, let me see your conclusion. Then what? Let me tomorrow I'll discuss that one. Okay, some of you are saying okay, on track it is. Okay, it's some somewhat better explanation also. Okay, take some time and tomorrow you reply back. By tomorrow, what happened? I want you to reply back. You may also claim that sir, what all you discuss topic is a stupid topic. Why there's a reflection? The way will just go. You can straight away reply back like that also. What you want to conclude, you conclude it. Okay, fine. So this is what thing. Okay, let's go for what is use of this. I can construct the musical instrument using this one. So no. Let me go for resonant frequencies of closed-end organ pipe. So this will help you to solve many numericals. I do. So some of you are asking, sir, interference. Still, many problems are there I have to cover. Let me just finish off all the syllabus first, like closed-end organ pipe is there. Next beats, Doppler effect. Then together all at a stretch. Once I finish off beats, no, together what happened? Or organ pipe, I'll finish off. Organ pipe intensity combined, I can do many problems. Many interrelated problems are there. Then I'll go for beats and Doppler effect. No, the interference, some 10 numericals is what still I have to discuss, not 1, 2. Resonant frequency of closed-end organ pipe. So I have a organ pipe. What are its resonant frequencies? Is so let L be the length of the pipe. So there's a tuning fork. So it will start vibrating. So as it starts vibrating, so it will push the air beside it. So now open the incident wave will go like this. So here first the incident wave. Let me call y1. It will go like this here. This wave will arrive here. By the time it arrives here, let me call that as y2. Now there's a closed end, no? And there's an open end. Now when a displacement, I'm discussing displacement wave. When a displacement wave reflected by a, let me use same color. By a closed end, it should undergo phase change of pi radian. So this will become y3. Again, it will propagate and it will reach here. So what we have here, the tuning fork will be continuously vibrating. So it will be pushing it will be sending the disturbance into the pipe. So the disturbance or the displacement will propagate a length L, get reflected. Again it will return back. Now, what is Y4? Y4 is the reflected wave, or you can further, okay, it get reflected will become Wi-Fi. Then what is this? There's a twice, one more if you want to take it one more. What is this Wi-Fi? Twice reflected wave, no? Once it is reflected at closed end, next it is reflected at the open end. Now, continuously the tuning fork will be sending signals. So shall we say there'll be interference between these two waves? And now, sir, why no phase change? Because we know when a displacement wave reflected by open end will not undergo phase change. When reflected at closed end will undergo phase change. Are you seeing that color? Inverted, I'm showing very clearly. This one. So now what will happen here? The fresh incoming wave and the twice reflected displacement wave. The fresh incoming displacement wave and twice reflected displacement will undergo superposition. Okay, that's one. So we can talk about the interference. Now, similarly, the fresh incoming wave and this Y4, they are moving opposite to each other. Now, the fresh incoming wave will be like this. And this Y4 is what? Like the reflected wave. They'll move opposite to each other. What is the condition for standing wave? Two waves of same speed, same frequency, moving opposite to each other, undergo superposition, will get a standing wave. So what all we see here? Interference. So there's nothing. So you can consider superposition of these two or these two. For standing wave, I'll consider these two. Fresh incoming wave and the Y4. For interference, I'll consider these two here. So of course, just get reflected, phase change off, no phase change will come. So there won't be much difference here. So got the idea, no? So like this what happen? I'll take the superposition of the different waves here. So in interference phenomena, the reflection is occurring and also a standing wave pattern is also obtained. Okay, let's calculate the condition for what is my question is I have to derive the resonant frequencies of the pipe, no? What do you mean by resonant frequencies? Why resonant frequencies will come here? Why that idea? So let me take superposition of the fresh incoming wave and the twice reflected displacement wave. What is the phase difference between them? Let us consider the superposition of fresh incoming displacement wave generated by tuning fork and reflected wave. Let me just write reflected wave y4. Superposition of these two. So because of this, what happened is standing wave is obtained. Then what is the overall phase difference? So let's go for the phase difference. What is the phase difference now? Phase difference due to reflection, phase difference due to path. Compared to the fresh incoming wave, how much of path length this will cover extra path? It will go, it will cover a distance cell, then again L2L it will cover no. So definitely it will gain some phase. So can you remember yesterday's class, like if a wave propagates some distance, it will gain path. So if a wave propagates some distance, it will gain phase. So definitely the fresh incoming wave and the Y4, will there be any phase change? Yes, there'll be phase change. There'll be phase change. They will have a phase difference. Due to what? Due to path. And also it got reflected. So therefore I'm reflecting, I'm adding both here. Now due to reflection, how much of phase change? Pi radian. Due to path, how much it should be? Due to path, so 2 pi by lambda into 2L. Are you able to understand? So why this 2L? Because it has covered additional path, no? L plus L, this is 2L. Okay, now again, why do we play musical instrument? To get a maximum sound, no? So therefore, what shall I go for this? Shall we go for constructive or destructive interference of the fresh incoming wave, or Y4 or Wi-Fi? I should go for constructive interference. So we do play musical instruments to get the maximum sound. To get a maximum sound, what happened? I should design musical instrument where the constructive interference will occur of the waves. For that purpose, what should be this phase difference? Should be equal to 2n minus 1 pi or 2n pi. What do you suggest? Because you know enough of some mathematics. Yesterday we discussed no the interference that is only here to bring that one. So 2n minus pi or 2n plus pi. Why no answers? There's a very simple topic, no? You know most of the things. So construct, actually we have discussed now the interference that only has to be explained, that only has to be applied. For constructive interference, what should be the phase difference? Yesterday's idea, I want you to think 2n pi, no? For constructive, for destructive interference, 2n minus 1 pi. Am I right? Yeah, good. Yeah, 2n pi, it should be that one. Huh? Just recollect why 2n pi. For constructive. Next, you can say, okay, sir, why constructive interference? For constructive interference or to get maximum sound. This is a basic idea, that one. So now this will become how much it is. This will be 2n minus 1 pi equal to 4 pi L by lambda. Or this will become 2n minus 1 equal to 4L by lambda. Okay, I'm at a better position. Now what is lambda? Lambda, I'll write it as V by F. So what are the expression for resonant frequency? 4L F equal to 2n minus 1 V by 4L. What are the possible values of n? Okay, let's go for resonant frequency. I'm using word resonance. Recollect the standing waves. So the first one, the first, the same pipe. I to show the both the things. No, pressure wave, displacement wave. What should be the put n equal to 1? So what are the values? N equal to 1, 2, 3, it will start. N equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. Put n equal to 1. So what is the length of the pipe? So first we'll go for put n equal to 1. It will become lambda 1. So let me derive let me write this equation. L is equal to 2n minus 1 lambda by 4. Will I agree? Put n equal to 1. What do you get? Lambda 1 by 4, the first one. So first n equal to 1. Fundamental tone. Or first harmonic. So if you put n equal to 1, what is the length? L1 will become the length of the pipe. I will write it here. So then I'll magnify it. Now you see this. Let me come to the here. Now please all of you look at here. Put for n equal to 1, how much it will become? The length will become lambda 1 by 4. So we know this should be the displacement node yn, I'll write it. And open end will be displacement antinode. Then the length of the pipe equal to lambda 1 by 4. So what do we should get? We should get off loop. You are going to get a only off loop. Length of the pipe is L lambda 1 by 4. Similarly, so we know this end, what is the this end? This should be the pressure antinode and the open end should be a pressure node. So how the standing wave should be, pressure standing wave should be like this. Why sir, why you are going for off loop? Why not you go for full loop? So what is the length is equal to? Lambda 1 by 4. So this called like a fundamental tone or first harmonic. So this is what I'm showing. The displacement the displacement standing wave set up in the organ pipe, or the pressure standing wave set up in the organ pipe. And strictly this is a closed end, this is open end. We're discussing for this one. Okay, now similarly for next n equal to 2. N equal to 2, it is called as a first O tone. Third harmonic. So what is the length of the pipe equal to 2 into 2 minus 1 lambda by 4. How much we are getting? 3 lambda 2 by 4. 3 lambda 2 by 4 means what you can write? Lambda 2 by 4 plus lambda 2 by 2. So now what we'll get it? We'll have the same pipe, no? Now what's be the diagram? The displacement node. So one full loop, sorry, one off loop. So this should be the pressure displacement node, antinode, displacement node, and the length of the pipe is L. pressure note, pressure antinote, pressure note, pressure antinote. Now, why third harmonic? Now, if you, okay, sir, you're not writing resonant frequency. Let's write equation for resonant frequency. Put n equal to 1, so V by 4L. So what is the first resonant frequency? F1 will be, I'll write in black color. Please do remember, these are very important. Then what is F2? No. Why we are calling it as third harmonic? You can see like a first, third, like this we got it. V by 4L, 3V by 4L. What is V? Speed of the sound in the organ pipe. It depends upon the medium here, temperature, all other things like sound wave propagation, what we had. Okay, similarly, we'll go for n equal to 3. Yeah. N equal to 3. So this is called like a second overtone. Or fifth harmonic. Then what is L is equal to length of the pipe will be 2 into 3 minus 1 lambda by lambda 3 by 4. Or this will become how much? It will be 5 lambda 3 by 4. No, 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 no. Don't call fourth harmonic n equal to 3. So we should call it as a fifth harmonic. The odd harmonic, the even harmonics are absent, no? And what is F is equal to? F5. The symbols, if you are getting confusion, put n equal to 3, this will become F5. F5 will become 5V by 4L. F2, F3 we are written, no? Symbols will be confusion. If you want, you can write it this as n equal to first overtone or third harmonic. So this will become lambda 2 or lambda 3. Better let me write it as 3 different. So that's, of course, n equal to 2, I should write lambda 2. Since even harmonics are absent, no, I'm changing symbol accordingly, so that will be in better position. Okay, how the standing wave pattern will be there in the pipe. Okay, this is the length of the pipe. So there's a pressure displacement node. So we should get two end of loop. There's a pressure antinode, pressure node. Okay, fine. So these are the resonant frequencies. Like this is what we are representing. This is called like a second overtone or fifth harmonic. The even harmonics are absent. Okay, just be careful the names what we give. Okay, this is about the resonant frequency. So you can say like with a tuning fork, the tuning fork will change. Means like we are not understanding why you are using word resonance. Okay, let's come here. I think you can really understand things very clearly. The word resonance. Okay, I'm trying to discuss. Okay, let's take tuning fork. this one. So there's a closed end organ pipe. It's a fundamental frequency, say like a 100 hertz. I'll bring a tuning fork of frequency, say 100 hertz. This is a tuning fork of frequency 100 hertz. What is F1? F1 is a fundamental tone or first harmonic. Anything, whatever you want. Fundamental tone or first harmonic. So what do we notice? We notice like this is like a displacement wave. Let me take. So shall we go for off loop? Okay, then what do you mean by that? When the frequency of tuning fork becomes equal to 100 hertz, we'll get here the maximum transfer of energy takes place from the tuning fork to the organ pipe, and we do get maximum sound. Now, if I bring another tuning fork, this is very important. Please do, all of you. There, the wire, it was a little bit difficult. Now this will be very clear. Now, if I bring another tuning fork whose frequency is 300 hertz, then the same pipe now is going to resonate such that 1.5 loop will be there. Are you getting now? The same pipe will vibrate in 1.5 loop. Now, if you bring 500 hertz, then 2.5 loop will come. Sir, I'll bring 200 hertz. Tell me what will happen. This is what our discussion. What do you mean by resonance? We'll get an exact picture. Now, a student, what happened? Will strike the tuning fork to the rubber pad and will keep it. Okay, now this is, let it be 200 hertz. What is the resonance frequency of this? 300 hertz. The value of the length of the pipe, all they are so adjusted that the resonance frequency is 100 hertz. That one means here first will 100 hertz tuning fork, I'll bring it. Then there'll be maximum transfer of energy will take place from tuning fork to the organ pipe. I'll get maximum sound. Then when I bring tuning fork of frequency 300 hertz, then it will resonate in 1.5 loop. Third harmonic, it will vibrate. Then maximum transfer of energy takes place from the tuning fork to the organ pipe. I'll get a maximum sound here also. So I should write maximum sound. Is produced. Maximum sound is produced. What will happen here? It will vibrate, but there won't be resonance and we don't get maximum sound. Hardly any sound is produced. The reason for that, no resonance. Here resonance occurs. So who will supply that energy? Who will supply that energy? The tuning fork. There'll be maximum flow of energy. So it'll be like this. Here also, what all the energy of the it is vibrating, no? It will give that energy to the organ pipe. So there'll be maximum transfer of energy from the tuning fork to the organ pipe. When the frequency of tuning fork becomes equal to resonant frequencies of the organ pipe. If you bring 200 hertz, the tuning fork will vibrate. Don't say tuning fork will not be. Tuning fork will be vibrating. It will push sound waves. Okay, that one. Yeah, the resonance will not occur. Sir, what about the frequency with which will vibrate? It will vibrate with 200 hertz only. Then what about like a standing wave? No, we hardly get any sound. So no question of designing equipment here. A good example, I think you might have played, no, the pen cap. You try to blow or it's a whistle. You can see my whistle, no? I'm blowing whistle. Some of you try, you don't get. The reason for that, you are not blowing air at a frequency equal to resonant frequency. Sir, how come the whistle? So here, what I do, I'll take my, I think I'll show video. Some of you, sir, how whistle everything. It's a very simple, no? How it is possible? I think different ways, other 2 finger, 3 finger, something. I know this technique. So I'll put my fingers on the tongue. I'll fold the tongue, then I'll blow the air. So I'm blowing air at a frequency, and my lips, the tongue will become an organ pipe. So there the resonance will occur, will get a maximum sound. If I try other method, not get. The reason for that, not at resonance. Now you see this one. How it is possible? From where that sound has come? Now I'm blowing air. So why I'm not getting sound? No resonance. You can take pen cap. I think some of you know that one in school you might have played. No, you take pen cap and blow air nearby it. No, sometimes you get maximum, sometimes you don't get maximum sound. I'm not getting the cap somewhere. It is lying. My kid have kept somewhere. Now you can try with that one, pen cap. If you blow, no, you get maximum sound. Sometimes if you blow, you don't get sound. The reason resonance here. So we are not bothered when it is not at resonance. That's all. I'll never design equipment where I'll play music, I'll play it and don't get sound. So it should not be designed here. So this is like, if you design like this, you call like a stupid. That one, you don't have any brain. You are not fit to become engineer. You should design an instrument where it should generate music, no? So if you bring 200 Hz, then definitely we don't get any sound here. Hardly any sound is produced or no resonance occurs. Simplest thing. Sir, tell me what will happen. Like, yes, this wave will go, get reflected. The incident and reflected will come. They'll undergo superposition. Standing wave will come, but hardly we get any sound. So it's of no use for us. Resonance occurs. At resonance, when resonance occurs, what will happen? We'll get a maximum sound. Maximum sound is produced here. So therefore, what all I should design instrument to get maximum sound only, I should design instrument. Getting some idea what I mean to say the resonant frequencies here. So here, what is the thing? The pipe length is remained fixed. Again, okay, don't think, sir, you have changed the length of pipe. The length of the pipe is same. Okay, now you have a cap, no, pen cap. You can blow air at different frequencies. Only when the frequency at which you are blowing air, if it is proportional to resonant frequencies of that cap, you get a sound. If you want, you can try. If you want, you can try. This is what we are discussing theoretically, this idea. If you want, you can try, no problem. I'll not object. Anybody can produce with a pen cap sound. Yes, anybody? Try it, no? Let me hear. What, you don't want to become engineer? You should try all these things, no? Why shy? All of you sleeping or they're in class? What you should do, see how to, somebody is asking, sir, what to do that one. I think you might have played in school, no? If there's a cap, you blow like this, no? I think you used to disturb the classes. You have to take pen cap, you blow air like this. Just anybody try it, unmute and just let me hear it, so that I'll come to that as you're really thinking and trying.
Sir.
Yeah. Sound should come. No, you're blowing air, but I want sound. I think somebody, okay, it's not possible. Cap is not good. Okay, please, others, anybody try it. Okay, I'll go for next one. Okay, let me finish off open end organ pipe. Okay, this is what I wanted to discuss. Nothing big. Nothing very big idea. The small, or what do you mean by organ pipes are, it will produce a sound, that's all. Only when the frequency of tuning fork becomes equal to resonant frequencies of the organ pipe, will get a maximum sound. Okay, now we'll go for resonant frequencies of open end organ pipe. What do you mean by open end? Both the ends are open. Okay, this is open end. This is also open end. Here is the tuning fork, I'll bring it. A fresh incoming, it will generate a displacement wave. You can discuss for pressure wave also. Okay, now when the displacement wave will arrive here. There's the length of the pipe. It will cover a distance L to reach the other end of the pipe. It get reflected. Or what will happen to displacement wave? Will not undergo phase change. Is it okay? Fine. Now this displacement wave will arrive here. And it get further reflected. And due to reflection at open end, it will not undergo phase change. Like that. So a fresh incoming wave and the Y4 will be moving fresh income. The tuning fork will be continuously vibrating. It will be pushing the waves, no? This one. And there's a twice, and this Y4 is what happened. It has covered a distance 2L and it has arrived here. So like this, both will undergo superposition, will get a standing wave. Now we can discuss the interference here, or we can discuss interference for this also. Like that, superposition of a waves and the interference of a waves, we can put it. Now again, the open end organ pipe, why do I use? I'll use this to get a maximum sound. Then what should be the total phase difference? The total phase difference is phase difference due to reflection, and the phase difference due to path. Now, what is the phase difference due to reflection? It go here, so there's no phase change. No, this will be. Shall we put 0? And then due to path, 2 pi lambda into 12. And why do we play this? To get a maximum sound. So therefore, I should go for 2n pi for constructive. For constructive inference, or to get maximum sound. I think this is the idea behind. So 2n. So n will become equal to 2l by lambda, or length of the pipe equal to n lambda by 2, or resonant frequencies will be L is equal to n by 2 V by F, or resonant frequencies will become n V by 2L. Okay, I agree this. So this is the expression for resonant frequencies. Okay, let's search for the conditions. Put n equal to 1 first. N equal to 1. Fundamental tone. First harmonic. No. So that the tuning fork is here. I brought it. So the displacement, the opponent should be displacement antinode. So I do get. First I should design, no, this one, length of the pipe is L. Put n equal to 1 here in this equation. Put n equal to 1. Lambda 1 by 2, I'll get it. Lambda 1 by 2 means displacement antinode, and the pressure node. As a displacement node. So I should get I think it's justified, no? So what is this length? This will become lambda 1 by 2. This is what the displacement standing way I'm showing. And open end should be pressure node. Open end should be pressure node. So how the standing way, the pattern will be one full loop, we'll get it. So the length of the pipe is L. So again, same thing. That's what is the resonant frequencies of this will be F1 is equal to V by 2L. This is a fundamental tone or first harmonic. Put n equal to 2. I think I can have same diagram. No? N equal to 2, first overtone, second harmonic. Let me put n equal to 2. So this will become 2 or only lambda 1. What all we should get? I should get 2 off loops, 1 full loop. The open end should be pressure node, no? So this will become only lambda 1. So this will become F2 equal to V or V by L. Second harmonic. So what should be the tuning fork? If this is F, this should be 2F. So don't write F only, because the length of the pipe will not change here. So next, third harmonic, n equal to, so this is n equal to 3. First overtone, second overtone. Third harmonic. Okay, 3V by 12. Here 3 will come. 3 lambda 1 by 2. So 3 lambda 1 by 2 himself is telling. So how many loops? I should get 3 loops because one loop is lambda by 2. So one loop. anti-node, no? So sorry, this is 2 full loops and 2 off loop. Okay, there's a method of drawing them. So here I think you'll understand very clearly. The symbol should be lambda 2. This will be lambda 3. I think now you can say, and I'm just okay, showing all that particular symbols. Lambda 3 by 4, lambda 3 by 2, lambda 3 by 2. This will become lambda 3 by 4. Able to understand this one? So this will become lambda 2 by 4. Got the idea? This one. So this called like a second order or third harmonic. Like this, we'll get a resonant frequency. So in general, for nth harmonic, okay, pressure node is left or no. And this will be pressure node. 3 full loops. So what is the general equation? NB by 2L. Similarly, for open-end organ pipe, closed-end organ pipe, what should be the resonant frequencies we should write? Fn is equal to. What do you mean by V? Speed of the sound. Speed of the sound in that particular pipe. Same thing here also. We'll get maximum sound only when you blow air at resonant frequencies of the pipe. You get a maximum sound. For any other frequencies, you don't get maximum sound. Now, sir, like I want to find out the pressure at this particular point. What about the pressure? So this one, pressure at this point, pressure anti-node, no? What about here, pressure node? There's a pressure node, pressure node. Let me write symbols. So if you define like I want to know the pressure at this particular point or somewhere here. Yes, you can find out what is the formula delta P equal to 2 BAK sine KX or cos KX. It depends upon where you define X equal to 0. Okay, there's the overall, the organ pipe, the reflection of a wave at closed end, open end organ pipe. Open end organ pipe, I'll show it. Just see once. There's a thing, no? Yeah. I think maximum I can show till here. Any doubt you can clarify. I'll go for next one more pipe is there. We'll finish off that also. If both the ends are closed, it can, we may get a situation of like that also. If both the ends are closed. Both the ends are closed. So there's a closed end. There's a closed end. There's a small hole through which I'll feed the sound. Okay, getting this one? What about the resonant frequencies of this? Again, we'll proceed like this. So here I'll get a displacement wave. It will arrive here. It get reflected and will get inverted, no? Then it will arrive here. This is a Y1, Y2, Y3. Okay, let's take the superposition of this. Superposition of fresh incoming wave and Wi-Fi. Let me take this one. This will be superposition of fresh incoming wave generated by tuning fork and twice reflected wave Wi-Fi. Okay, again, this will be reflected by a rigid end, closed end. So therefore, it should undergo a phase change of pi radian. So therefore, it will become again zero altogether. It will have zero phase. Okay, let's get into the thing now. So this will be phi is equal to phase change due to reflection, phase change due to path. Due to reflection, it will be how much? 2 pi. Due to path, and we want for to get maximum sound. 2 pi, or you can also write it to be 0, that one. It is similar to, again, the open-end organ pipe only this is. Because it will be twice. If you take the pressure will not undergo phase change. But sir, okay, let me take this one, 2n minus 1. I'll get it. Okay, let's see where we'll go finally. This will become 2L by lambda. Further, lambda, what you can write? F by V. So what is F equal to? 2n minus 1 V by 2L. So you should not start n equal to n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Put n equal to 1. N equal to 1, what we get? V by 2L. N equal to 2, 3V by 2L. N equal to 3, 5V by 2L. Like this we get it. But if you take the pressure wave, pressure wave, what happened will not undergo any phase change. Then in that case, what we write to be 0. So then which equations are to be correct? So another, if you take pressure wave, this will be 0, 2 pi by lambda 2L. Finally, the n is equal to 2L by lambda will get it, or this will be F equal to NV by 2L. Which one I should pick up? Say practically I'll go there. For what frequencies I'll get maximum sound? Will I get maximum sound for these resonant frequency or these resonant frequency? This open end organ, both ends are closed. I'll check it. Practically it obeys this one, not this one. Because 2 pi, what happened here? Mathematically, you say 2 pi. It can become 4 pi. It can become 6 pi. So therefore, what happened? Yeah, it has to be taken to be 0, that one. So in the books, what happened? They're given this. So students will think, why can't this be this one? So the mathematically is what we have brought it. So 2 pi. So 0 or 2 pi, according to physics, it will be same. So therefore, the 0 is what the book taken, and practically it is obeying this particular thing. Okay, fine. So I had to clarify doubt. That's why I just brought the both the cases. So this will paste it here. So it is similar to, again, when both the ends are open or closed, the resonant frequency will be same. Only thing is the pattern what you draw, no, that will be little bit different. It will come. I'll show for only some three resonant frequencies. Let's start with this one. First, n is equal to 1. Length of the pipe is L in all the cases. N equal to 1. Fundamental tone. First harmonic. So first what we show is like there's a displacement anti-note. Both ends are closed. No, so sorry, this one. Small hole has to be shown. Already I shown in the beginning diagram. No. Let's put it here. Small hole. It should be small hole. Again, if it becomes big, it will become open-end organ pipe. There should be the node. There should be the node. So we'll get a okay. All of you, by this time, everyone knows how to draw the standing wave pattern. First, you start with the ends, open end or closed end. The closed end should be displacement node. It's a strict condition. No? And for pressure wave, there should be the anti-node. Pressure anti-node. Okay, what should be this you are going to write lambda 1/2. I think there's a method, no? Okay, like this, we can get the resonant frequencies of when both ends are closed. How do that energy is, is imparted into the pipe? Through small hole, that is sufficient. Okay, fine. So you can work out some numericals. Tomorrow we'll discuss the numericals on these things. Okay, let me end up the class. I have to go to the college, no? Okay, thank you all of you. Yeah, so tomorrow we'll continue with the numericals on this particular, this is a theoretical idea. So you can start working numericals. Already we have discussed standing wave on a rope, no? The same ideas is what will be used here. Okay, thank you all of you.